Today, I'm going to be showing you one of the best places to stay in the Kruger National Park. If you like a good view, then you're going to love Olifants Rest Camp. Let's go. Olifants Rest Camp is situated about half of the way up in the Kruger National Park. It is one of the smaller camps in the reserve. Olifants lies high up on a hilltop that overlooks the Olifants River, which gives it a stunning view. In fact, it is one of the best views from any camp in the whole park. There is a viewpoint just above the camp, so remember to bring your binoculars because there is always something to spot in the river below. Often, you can see waterbuck, hippos, or even a herd of elephant coming down for a drink. Just above the viewpoint, there is a restaurant with an equally stunning view. In my opinion, there is nothing better than eating a great meal with a view that is beyond words. Next to the restaurant is a little shop that has everything you would need and is pretty well stocked. Just inside the gate, there is also a fuel station, which has both petrol and diesel. Olifants has decent cell phone signal inside the camp, so you can get 3G, which is enough to send messages and search the web. Unfortunately, the pool doesn't have any shade, although there are a couple lounges under a tree. The day visitors area is right next to the pool, so if you're a day visitor, you unfortunately can't enjoy the breathtaking view. One of my favorite things is the layout of the camp, with rows of iconic round rondavels arranged in a series of terraces with lots of shade. Olifants has lots of very affordable rondavels that sleep between 2 and 4 people. Some of the rondavels have a kitchen and some of them don't, so make sure when you're booking to see if your unit has the facilities that you need. If you want to sleep more than 4 people and have a luxury experience, then I would definitely recommend staying in the Limbombo and Nshau guest houses. One of the best things is that all of the accommodation options include a braai stand and an aircon, which is absolutely essential in hot weather. I also love that the camp has a laundromat, as it makes washing clothes convenient for longer stays. Olifants doesn't have a campsite, so if you are thinking about camping, you should rather stay somewhere like Bulule Rest Camp. All in all, I would definitely recommend Olifants if you love a great view. This camp has a very special, relaxed atmosphere, which is missing from some of the bigger camps in the south, where there are a lot of tourists.
If you're looking for other rest camps to stay at, I would highly recommend this video over here, where I take a look at and review Bachendal Rest Camp.
Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.